Hi everyone, I'm Donna from the Land Rover Guidebook channel. Today, we are going to look at the extended mode, which can further increase the suspension height of your Land Rover vehicle. In 2020, Defender was reborn with a new look. Land Rover's homepage or brochure says that the suspension can be extended further in extreme off-road conditions. So I looked at the manual to see how to use it. The manual says that the extended mode is automatically activated under several conditions. At this point, you need to press the brake pedal and press the off-road high button for 3 seconds. So, referring to the manual, I've been testing several vehicles over the past few weeks. I tried stacking boxes like off-road at the bottom of the front of the vehicle. I also tried to lower the suspension level so that the box touches the lower body of the vehicle. But all failed. I finally figured out how to use it correctly. First, we will raise the vehicle of access height to normal height and to off-road height. First, I measured the height from the floor to the wheel arch at the access height. It is 88 centimeters. Next, I measured the height from the normal height. It is 91 centimeters. So, the access height is not as low as 40 millimeters as the brochure says, but 30 millimeters as low. Next, I measured the height at off-road height. It is 98 centimeters. The off-road height is not as high as 75 millimeters as the brochure says, but 70 millimeters high. Now, we'll put the jacks we used to change the tires on the lower body of the vehicle at off-road height. Even if the suspension is lowered to normal height, it will not go down by the jack. It has the same effect as the vehicle floor getting caught somewhere and not going down. Now everything is ready. Let's go down from off-road height to normal height. After a few moments of pressing the button, you will hear a beep and inform you that the suspension is in extended mode on the instrument panel. You will also see an extended mode icon. Normal height and off-road height icons flash when looking at the suspension controls. After a while, the instrument panel prompts you to step on the brake pedal and press the lift button for 3 seconds to raise the suspension further. Follow the instructions and press the off-road high button for 3 seconds. You will hear a beep and the suspension will go up further. The arrow lights up while the suspension is rising and turns off when all are up. Let's see what it looks like outside the vehicle. If you press the button to get down from off-road height to normal height, it will not be lowered by the jack installed under the vehicle. Rather, the rear of the vehicle is slightly raised. After a while, pressing the off-road high button for 3 seconds will even raise the front of the vehicle. This time, we will see 2 screens at the same time. When lowering from off-road height to normal height, a beep sounds. In the instrument panel, you will see an indication that you are in extended mode and an extended mode icon. After a while, you will be prompted to press the brake pedal and press the lift button for 3 seconds to raise the suspension to the instrument panel. Follow the instructions and press the off-road high button for 3 seconds. You will hear a beep and the suspension will go up further. The arrow lights up while the suspension is up and goes out when it's all up. In extended mode, the icon is displayed in the instrument panel and the controls off-road height icon flashes. Again, I measured the height raised in extended mode. It is 102 centimeters. The extended mode height is 40 millimeters higher compared to the off-road height. So 110 millimeters is higher at normal height. As a result of my own testing, the overall height was slightly different than the official height. However, I think I should be satisfied that I have tried the hard-to-understand contents in the manual. As you can see, it can easily raise to the height of the extended mode using the jack on the vehicle's toolkit. Raise the vehicle to the height of the extended mode before touching the ground and damaging it. Extended mode can be used in the same way on all Land Rover vehicles equipped with air suspension, regardless of year and model. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.